size 1X in these because everything else was sold out. This top is also
It's crazy the line difference that you can see with the foundation. That's insane.
60 minutes, and I feel like every time I feel like every time I exercise, it just brings up the best.
Makes sense. It's legal. They shouldn't have to hide it. Employers should not be allowed to discriminate for it. Sorry. Thank you.
Hey guys, it's Asha. Today I'm wearing braids because it's literally a million degrees. So yeah, that's the thing. I did a video a couple months ago showing you guys some different...
The tea bag of the tea, need to sneeze, and I'm holding tea, so this is not going to be good. Oh, I didn't spill the tea. Okay, hallelujah, that was a miracle.
Рекомендуем использовать ингаляционный... Будь здорова. Ингаляционный анестетик.
На ВКонтакте, его во ВКонтакте, поэтому я его скачаю, мы с вами тоже его посмотрим, но не сегодня, не прямо сейчас. Точно. Unit Stage 10, BTS.
Вин? Как говорится слово wings? Wings? Правда.
He says that she doesn't support him anymore. Dab. Basically she says, I'm sorry you guys, I'm so sick. I went to England and like the weather there was like super hot for no reason.
With you guys because I picked it up because accessories are also a part of clothing. Oh my god, that snuck up on me. And another accessory that I have been
super happy ako na sobrang proud talaga. Kasi hindi ko expected yung mga tinuturo namin sa kanya, yung paalala namin. Na-apply niya talaga. Kasi isipin niya, di ba?
That's me. Hey everyone, it's Millie, and today's video is going to be a misguided clothing haul. Literally about 99% of my wardrobe is misguided clothing. I just really like the store. That's a long enough intro. Into the video. Clothing item 1.